Boy, oh boy. A 55 Bel Air. This was, when I was a young fella, this was one of my dream cars, brother. And you know who built this? This guy right here. He owns California Dreams in Medford, Wisconsin. Home of the Tombstone Pizza.
Wait, you mean the home of California Dreams Hot Rod Custom Shop?
All right, forget about Tombstones. Tell me about the car, brother.
We got this beautiful 55 with the traditional two-tone Marlowe and silver. Gives it that modern twist on a traditional look. Chevy small block, billet accessories, aftermarket wheels here. Just a really nice, solid build.
It's beautiful. It is so, this is a car that it just catches your eye and it reminds you of younger days. I mean, when we were young, we had a 56 in our family. It was a little beat up. It certainly wasn't a California Dreams car, but it was a 56 Chevy.
Nice.
And we had that sucker, and that was the first car that I remember, and in the mid to late 60s, my ma had it. What is your shop? Tell me about your shop.
We're located in Medford, Wisconsin. We're traditionally based as a restoration resto mod shop. We also offer in-house upholstery and powder coating.
Nice. All right, California Dreams, baby. Beautiful 55. Come on out to MotorMania and check this baby out.